Hey, so I came across this issue when trying to increase or decrease the speed of an audio clip in Adobe Audition CC where I couldn't see the stretch symbol on hover. This is how you get it. Step 1. Let's start by importing the audio clip in Audition. Let's listen to the original audio.
Unless you're living in a cave with no connection to the world, in which case, hey, congrats on you.
Step 2. You need to put this audio clip into a multi-track session. Name it whatever you want. Step 3. When you hover over the end of your audio clip, you will see one option, Fade Out, which is to adjust the clip's volume. There should be another option here called Stretch. Step 4. For that, go to Clip, Stretch, Enable Global Clip Stretching. Now you will see two options here, Fade Out and Stretch. You can simply stretch in to make the audio go faster, which will make it go like this.
In a cave with no connection to the world, in which case, hey, congrats on you.
Or you could stretch out to make the audio go slower, which will make it sound like this.
Many of these self-help.
So that's pretty much all. Or if you don't want to enable global clip stretching, you can select this clip, go to Clip, Stretch and Stretch Properties. This will open the Properties dialog box on the left. Here you can click on Stretch and increase the stretch or decrease the stretch and change the other properties you want to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. If you want to see more such tips, tricks and tutorials, please subscribe to this channel. Peace. Oh, that was quick.